When you're a company that services equipment, making best use of available resources, vehicles, equipment, parts and your team is the key to prompt and exceptional service and happy customers. A well-designed and properly implemented field service management system can help you accomplish all of that. Because with the right system you can modernise operations, boost your efficiency and build strong customer loyalty. With the MYOB Advanced Field Service Management module you can do just that. Quickly capture service needs and access customer information, product history and resources, shorten the time between call receipt and job assignment. Track commitments, match tasks to resources, and generate work orders automatically. Schedule the right people at the right time with the right skills to perform the work. Use the Field Services Calendar scheduling board to create daily or weekly schedules automatically, or use the convenient drag and drop tools. Integrate all of your field service operations, projects, order management, CRM and inventory management. Provide all required information to generate service appointments from sales orders or CRM cases. Gain better valuable business insights by combining automated processes, accurate data, financial analysis and forecasting capabilities. Greater convenience and efficiency is possible through seamless access to routes anywhere, anytime from any device. All applications are web-based, giving users unlimited access to the system from any location. Enable field staff to plan for upcoming appointments and routes, along with access to the information necessary for the next call, including last-minute updates. Improve customer satisfaction by tracking warranty classes according to models of equipment and prevent needless customer invoicing of parts and labour when the work is covered under warranty. The MYOB Advanced Field Service Management module is comprehensive and customizable, making it easy to implement for any type of field service business. Is it time for your business to come on board? Contact us today.